The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is increasingly being talked about as one of the most ambitious and potentially disruptive action cameras expected to arrive in 2026. And while Insta360 has not yet made any official announcements, the steady flow of leaks, supply chain whispers, and industry speculation suggests that this next-generation action camera could represent a major leap forward in portable imaging technology, especially for creators who prioritize cutting-edge video quality, intelligent features, and reliable performance in challenging environments. Because according to current rumors, the Ace Pro, the 3rd of May, introduce a revolutionary triple AI processing architecture designed to push real-time image enhancement, computational photography, and automated editing far beyond what we've seen in previous models, building on the foundation laid by the Ace Pro 2, which already impressed users with its dual AI chip system, premium co-engineered optics, and strong low-light performance. But the Ace Pro 3 is expected to take these strengths and amplify them with a more powerful image signal processor, next-generation algorithms, and deeper AI integration across video stabilization, subject tracking, noise reduction, HDR processing, and intelligent scene detection, making it not just an action camera but a fully fledged smart content creation device optimized for YouTube creators, vloggers, travel filmmakers, sports enthusiasts, and even professional videographers looking for a compact secondary camera. And when you look at the current Insta360 lineup, it becomes clear why expectations are so high, since the Ace Pro 2, released in October 2024, already delivered 8K video recording, a large 1/1.3-inch sensor, a bright and flexible flip touchscreen, and impressive computational enhancements that helped it stand out in a competitive market dominated by familiar brands. Yet industry insiders suggest that Insta360 sees artificial intelligence and sensor innovation as its primary weapons for the next phase, which is further reinforced by the renewed partnership between Insta360 and Leica reported in early 2026. A collaboration that has played a key role in improving optical clarity, color science, and lens performance in recent models, and the continuation of this partnership strongly hints that more advanced lens designs, refined color profiles, and improved edge-to-edge sharpness are in development for the Ace Pro 3, potentially resulting in footage that looks more cinematic straight out of the camera with minimal post-processing required. While rumors surrounding the specifications paint an equally impressive picture, with talk of a new sensor that could jump from the current 50 megapixels to somewhere between 60 and 70 megapixels, possibly paired with a slightly larger sensor size to improve light gathering, dynamic range, and depth detail, which would directly benefit low-light video recording, night mode footage, and still photography, areas where action cameras have traditionally struggled. And on the video side, while 8K resolution is already available on the Ace Pro 2, sources suggest that the Ace Pro 3 could refine this capability with more efficient compression, higher bitrates, expanded dynamic range, and even the possibility of 8K at 60 frames per second, a feature that would be groundbreaking in this form factor and open new creative options for slow-motion cropping, stabilization in post, and ultra-high-resolution content delivery, especially as YouTube and other platforms continue to support higher resolutions. And autofocus is another area rumored to see major improvements, potentially moving from standard phase detection autofocus to a hybrid AI-powered system capable of advanced subject recognition, face and eye tracking, predictive focus adjustments, and ultra-fast lock-on speeds even in complex scenes with fast-moving subjects, water spray, dust, or low-contrast lighting, which would make the Ace Pro 3 far more reliable for action sports, wildlife shots, and dynamic vlog scenarios, while stabilization technology is also expected to evolve significantly, with speculation pointing toward multi-axis stabilization enhanced by AI motion prediction that can analyze movement patterns in real time and compensate more accurately for sudden shakes, rotations, and impacts, resulting in footage that looks closer to gimbal-stabilized video even during extreme activities like mountain biking, skiing, or handheld running shots. And beyond raw capture performance, one of the most exciting rumored upgrades revolves around AI-assisted editing and workflow automation. as the Ace Pro 3 could feature intelligent scene analysis that automatically identifies highlights, detects key moments, trims clips, and even assembles ready-to-share edits directly in camera or through the companion app, dramatically reducing post-production time for creators who want fast turnaround without sacrificing quality. While low-light performance is rumored to be a major focus, with talk of a next-generation night mode that combines sensor-level improvements, multi-frame noise reduction, and AI-driven detail reconstruction to capture usable footage in conditions that would previously be considered too dark for action cameras, such as nighttime city scenes, indoor sports, or outdoor adventures at dusk. And from a hardware perspective, the physical design is expected to remain rugged, waterproof, and adventure-ready, but with subtle refinements like a more ergonomic grip, improved button placement, a potentially larger or brighter rear display for better visibility in sunlight, and expanded modular accessory support, possibly including faster magnetic mounts or more versatile attachment options for helmets, vehicles, and handheld rigs. While battery life, always a concern with high-resolution recording, is rumored to benefit from smarter power management, a more efficient chipset, and potentially a higher capacity battery that could extend 8K recording sessions and reduce the need for frequent swaps, which would be a major advantage for long shoots, travel days, or live event coverage. And when the Ace Pro 3 eventually launches, it will enter a fiercely competitive action camera market alongside GoPro, DJI, and other established players. But Insta360's strategy of leaning heavily into AI innovation, computational imaging, and creative-focused features could help it carve out a distinct position as more than just an action camera brand, instead presenting the Ace Pro 3 as a versatile all-in-one content creation tool capable of handling everything from extreme sports footage to cinematic travel videos and professional quality vlogs. Though pricing will inevitably play a role in adoption, as the Ace Pro 3 is expected to sit firmly in the premium category, potentially appealing most to serious creators, enthusiasts, and professionals who are willing to invest in advanced features. And based on historical release patterns and typical development cycles of 18 to 24 months for major hardware upgrades, many observers believe an early 2026 announcement would make sense, especially considering the Ace Pro 2's October 2024 release and the ongoing reports of active development tied to new AI hardware and optical systems. But as always, it's important to remember that these details remain unconfirmed, and Insta360 has a history of surprising the market with unexpected announcements or features that weren't widely rumored beforehand. Yet if even a portion of the current speculation proves accurate, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 could significantly reshape expectations around what an action camera can do, potentially lowering the barrier to high-quality content creation by combining powerful AI processing, advanced stabilization, improved low-light performance, and streamlined editing workflows into a compact, rugged device that fits in your pocket, making it an exciting prospect for anyone interested in the future of camera technology, portable video production, and next-generation action cameras optimized for modern creators.